Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, the other day one of my good friends asked me how to adjust the handbrake on a Hyundai ix35. So I thought I'd make this little video just showing you basically how to do it and all the specs and all that you need. So yeah, let's go take a look.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.
Right then, so if we go in through the back door of the car, we'll see this panel in the back of the center console. Now it's hard to see, but you can see this little line here. Now if I stick a screwdriver and just give it a bit of a pry, you can see it separates. What we need to do is remove this cover. Now what I found was easier was use a plastic pry and just stick it in that gap. Obviously you need to pry it from the bottom just to get it to release a bit, and that's it pulled off. So once we've got this cover out the way, now we're going to shoot it up on the seat so we can get to it. If you look underneath, sorry, get that out of the way. If we look underneath, you'll see the actual where what they call a quadrant, but it's basically where the adjuster thread attaches to the two cables, and then in the center where that bit of paint is, you can see there's an adjuster nut, which is a 12mm socket. Now you will need a deep socket. Now you can see here now, if I just wiggle the cable, there's a lot of free play, which obviously is my problem. I got too many clicks on the handbrake. So I'm going to go ahead now and adjust this nut and take out some of that free play. So the actual measurement is actually in clicks. So what we're actually going to look for is how many clicks the handbrake comes up on the ratchet. Now the spec is 6 to 7 clicks, but I'm going to try and get as close to 6 as I can, because that's what I like, to have it a bit tighter. So I'm going to put the deep socket onto the nut now and click an extension bar on. There we go, and we can go ahead now. Now obviously I do this all the time, so I know pretty much how much kind of tension to put on there. It's not actually tension you're putting on, it's more of just taking out the free play, so there's no slack. So I can feel now there's no slack in that cable, and I'll go ahead now and just check the cable. I'll check the handbrake. And there we go, you can see lightly there now I've clicked it onto 6 clicks. So if I wanted to give that a firm pull, I'd obviously have a 7th, but that's tight enough for me. So I'm going to go ahead now and refit the cover. Now the nut is locking, so you don't have to worry about anything. You just go ahead and re-put the cover and we're all done. So yeah, that's it guys, it's that simple. So thank you for watching guys, and yeah, I hope this helps.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.